না একটু একটু শুকা তাই সরি ও মা গো এত ভালোবাসো না আজকে তো ভালোবাসার প্রমাণ হয়ে গেল তো Hey guys, it's Tanushree. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you the complete look of Tripti Dimri's character in Bulbul. It's a Netflix original. I don't know how many of you watched it, but I really love the makeup when I saw it. Actually, I think this is a typical vintage Bengali look, and I was planning to do something like this since a long time. Okay, let's jump straight into the tutorial. So let's do some good prep work. I'm going to start with the lip balm. This one is from Maybelline. Okay, now I'm going to be using my moisturizer. This one is from Biotic Bio Morning Nectar. So it's going to be very simple. She almost has the no makeup look, and that's exactly what we will be going for today. Now I'm going to be using Indulgio Rose Gold Oil. When it's no makeup look, the focus is always on the skin because you need to make it look good without much makeup. Now it's foundation time. This one is from Estee Lauder in the shade name Cashew. OMG, I forgot to record my primer part, guys. I'm so sorry. Primer that I used is from Sugar. Well, you can buy Estee Lauder foundation online at best price on Nykaa. This foundation is best for oily skin, but for dry skin you can use any essential oil with it. For better result, I'm going to be using another layer of this foundation. Double wear foundation is perfect for all skin type, whether it is dry, normal or oily. This foundation can work for dry skin also. Make sure your skin has been cleansed and moisturized very well. For concealing, I'm going to be using this concealer. This one is from Forever 52, and I'm gonna blend it with this beauty blender from PSE. It is a very lightweighted and creamy textured liquid concealer, so it does not feel too heavy on your skin, and it provides smooth and naturally glowing youthful look, and it perfectly covers the dark circles, acne spots and blemishes. And I'm going to blend everything very quickly with my beauty blender from PSE. This Fit Me loose finishing powder to lock my base in the shade number 20 light medium. I can't explain you guys how much I love this product. It's simply a cheaper alternative, or can say a budget friendly alternative for expensive loose powder. For contouring, I'm going to be using Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. I'm using very minimum product for this look. Okay, moving on to the next step. For blush on, I'm going to be using this blusher. This one is from Avon. I'm using very minimum product for this look. For the brows, I'm going to be using Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Retractable Pencil in the shade name Ash Brown. I'm going to start shaping my brows just like what she has. If you see in the very outer corner, it's higher. It's not dragged down. so I'm going to keep it that way, but I'm mostly going to fill in my entire brows just like what she has. As you can see, her brows are pretty filled in, so I'm just filling in the sparse areas and bold spots. Moving on to the next part, her eye makeup is super simple. She has no eyeshadows, but my eyes are slightly hooded. If I only go for a smudge liner without defining my crease, it's going to look more droopy and hooded. So I decide to use little amount of transition shade in my crease and underneath of my lower lash line. To keep my eye makeup very simple and very light, I'm using very light color. For kajal and liner, I'm using this colossal kajal from Maybelline. She has a very light liner, almost like a no liner existence. She has liner at her lash line. I'm not sure even if you can see it in this picture. It's almost non-existent. It's a little struggle for me. I have very sensitive water and tight line. I'm applying it very close to my lash line and I'm smudge it with brown color eyeshadow from this palette. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and apply a single coat of mascara. It does not look like she even has any mascara or false lashes. So applying a single coat of mascara add volume to your lashes. I'm going to skip the highlighting portion and I'm jumping straight to a lipstick. Here I'm using a little amount of Dermacol as in lip base. It will hide your discoloration and pigmentation in your lips. So this is the lip paint from L'Oreal. It gives you the natural flash of orange. It's just enough to make your lip pop, but it looks like there is nothing on your lips. I'm using this lip liner. This one is from Avon to enhance my natural lip shape. Now I'm going to be using this spray. This one is from Sugar. This will melt all the products in my face and make it more like skin, make it more natural. That finishes up the makeup. Just something very simple and fresh. Okay, now let's move on to the hair. For hair I have to do nothing because my hair are naturally curled. I have waves on the top of my hair and the bottom part of my hair are naturally curled. I'm using this shine spray. This one is from Oasis Plus. Her hair looks pretty healthy and shiny, so I decide to use this shine spray from Oasis Plus. There are several different ways to do mermaid waves. You can use any machines or simply braid it. Simply damp your hair and braid or twist it for 6 to 7 hours, then release all the braids. To give volume, just lightly brush your hair. Her bindi looks like it's hand drawn, so I'm just doing the same. It's really difficult. Oops. Here I'm using my wedding jewelry, guys, after a long time. I'm also going to enhance and frame the waves in front with my finger. It's really difficult, guys, to do. It's actually dupe of alga. It means we put alga, but I'm using fabric, red fabric. But it's really difficult to do things like this with your left hand. So this is my final look, guys. I hope you all like it, and if you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for more future updates. So guys, this is my final look. I hope you all liked it. If you did, then do not forget to click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for more future updates. And don't forget to comment on below how you liked Bulbul if you watched it on Netflix. I'm gonna see you in my next videos. Till then, bye guys. ফ্রেন্ডস, তোমরা যারা এখনও বুলবুল দেখোনি, তোমরা প্লিজ একবার নেটফ্লিক্সে মুভিটি দেখে নিও। ভীষণ ভালো একটি মুভি, বেঙ্গলি গার্লের ওপর, মানে একটা বাঙালি মেয়ের ওপর এই মুভিটি বানানো, বাঙালি কালচার নিয়ে। ভীষণ ভীষণ ভালো, আমাদের বাঙালির জন্য এই মুভিটি ভীষণ গর্বের। আশা করি তোমাদেরও ভালো লাগবে, আমার ভীষণ ভালো লেগেছে। আর আমার এই ভিডিওটি তোমাদের ভালো লাগলে লাইক, কমেন্ট অ্যান্ড শেয়ার করো, আর আমার চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে রেখো। ধন্যবাদ, টাটা, বাই গাইজ।